Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's feature product. Now that May lawn is behind us, hopefully that means the snow is behind us as well. Knock on wood. So, it's time to park the snowblower and get your AC unit serviced. Here to help with that is this week's feature product, the foaming coil cleaner from CRC. When spring has officially sprung is the perfect time to do your air conditioner maintenance. We talked extensively about this in our Gear Up with Gregg's video on DuraCool, so check that video out for some troubleshooting and maintenance tips.
So chill out, sit back, and join us for this really cool episode of Gear Up with Gregg's.
One thing we did not cover in that video was how to clean the coils of your external unit. It's recommended to do this at least once a year for maximum efficiency of your system. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I've never cleaned the coils, well, now is a perfect time to start. You see, over time, as the AC is constantly expanding and condensing the refrigerant, there is a lot of condensation that is created. This is a magnet for grease, oil, and sludge to build up on the coils, thus decreasing their efficiency. A low odor foaming coil spray like this one is ideal. All you have to do is disconnect the power to your unit, shake the can well, and spray onto all sides. For larger units, you may need to use 2 cans in order to fully coat the coils. If it's been a while since your AC was cleaned, you're probably going to want to give it another coat after waiting about 10 minutes. If your AC produces condensation, then good news, you're all done. But if it doesn't, not to worry. A quick spray with the hose is all you've got to do to rinse it off. See? Wasn't that easy? This is much more than just a one-dimensional product. It can be used on blowers, motors, fan blades, and anything else that tends to attract grease and oil. So spread the news. Not nearly enough people know that you need to clean your AC regularly in order to keep it cool. Have a good week, everyone.